Embrace the allure of luxurious living in this enticing two-bedroom condo nestled in the vibrant landscape of Punta Cana. Priced at $249,224 United States dollars. This meticulously designed apartment spans 95 square meters, 1022.57 square feet, offering a harmonious blend of space and sophistication. With 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, the residence exudes a sense of comfort and convenience, ensuring a delightful living experience. The inclusion of a private garage adds a layer of practicality, providing secure parking for residents. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this well-appointed space, where every detail contributes to the overall elegance. Seize the opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Punta Cana with this attractive and thoughtfully crafted 2-bedroom gem. Schedule your visit today and step into your dream home.